Hey, Bait Technologies here, and I am Winnie Bien to show you our new phone, which is currently on sale as of now. This is the Samsung A837, codename Rugby. I'm going to show you this phone working on a T-Mobile network using this T-Mobile SIM card. And as you can clearly see by the box, and on the phone is the AT&T phone. This would not be possible unless the phone was unlocked. So let's get a show on the road. I'm going to insert the SIM card. Battery. And now the case. It's not on correctly. Let me secure it. Okay, let's turn the phone on. As you can see, it's loading up the AT&T animation. Let's give it a few seconds to load up. As I was saying earlier, if this phone was not unlocked, you would not be able to get any kind of signal, and the phone would constantly ask for a SIM card to be installed. Still doing this initial load up. Okay, as you see, it's recognizing the SIM card, is telling me of messages on the SIM card, asking if I want to load contacts. And soon we should see a T-Mobile pop up on the screen. And let me back up. And there you have it. There's T-Mobile right here at the bottom of the screen on the AT&T phone, showing that this phone is unlocked. Alright, that is the Samsung A837 unlocked using the T-Mobile SIM card. We guarantee you cheapest prices in the world for best quality cell phone and awesome customer service. Come and shop at your #1 cell phone store, baittechnology.com.